Here's some banana shake for my children.
Huh?
Hey, what happened to my children?
We are very upset with you. But why should we take it out on banana shake?
Babu?
Okay, fine. But I came here to solve the problems of my children. What do you people say? Story time with
Sudhamma?
Yes.
Yay!
So, Amma, should we begin?
Yes, yes. One day, King Vidyadhar of Vijayanagar and his minister Saranga set out in disguise for a walk around Vijayanagar.
Your Majesty, my king, if someone recognizes you, there could be a trouble.
Don't worry about that. Just look around you and see how happy everyone is.
The potatoes have arrived on a ship. Grab them before they make a swift trip.
When I see our people happy and joyful, my heart fills with happiness. Look around, Saranga. You will not find a single person who is not happy.
Pardon me, my king. But what we see all the time is not always the truth.
What do you mean?
I mean, one who is satisfied is the only happy person. So we need to investigate how many people are truly satisfied in reality. If you permit, I have a plan in my mind, my king.
For me, it is essential to know whether you all are genuinely happy and whether all your needs are being fulfilled in our kingdom or not. Is there anyone present here who is not happy?
I am so happy, my king, that I do not even have the desire to go outside for business. Money is honey.
Our kitchen is always filled with food. What else do we need, my king?
Yes. Our business, all our affairs, everything is going well. We are all very happy.
That is good to hear. Minister Saranga?
My king, after hearing your words, our king felt immense joy. And to share this happiness with all the happy people in the kingdom, tomorrow, the royal garden will be opened. There are many rare fruits and flowers in the garden that you can eat and even take home in your bags.
The royal garden was closest to the king's heart and very special, where he had planted various types of fruits and flowers from both within the country and abroad.
Enjoy the delights of the royal garden, everyone. The king will meet you at the back gate of the garden shortly.
Oh, wow, so many beautiful and juicy fruits.
Wonderful. It feels like this garden belongs to another world.
You people keep wasting time in conversations. I am going to fill my bag first. Money is honey.
This is mine. I want some too. You have only explored half of the garden and you have already filled your bag.
What could be better than such beautiful and juicy fruits?
Go a little further and see for yourself.
I never thought this garden would be so vast from the inside.
Unbelievable! Golden fruits! Amazing! Oh, wow!
flowers adorned with diamonds and pearls. This garden truly turned out to be royal. I will become rich after getting them all monies, honey. If they pluck all of these, then nothing will be left for me, monies, honey. Look over there, the king.
Where did the diamonds and pearls go?
Golden fruits. But there is no space to keep them. Let me take them out. Leave it. You leave it. Leave it.
I said you leave it.
It's mine.
Mine.
It's mine.
Hey, I want these too.
If you're satisfied and your bags are full, should we leave? The king is waiting for us at the other gate.
Yes, let's go, Minister.
We should have collected some more.
You are absolutely right.
Hail to the king! Go on. The king is waiting for you on the other side.
Such a strong current. How will we cross this? And if we don't cross this, how will we reach the king?
Oh, you silly people. We can easily cross it like this. Look at me. Oh, someone save me. I'm drowning. The water is very deep.
Drop the bag or else you'll be swept away by the strong current of the water.
No. I'm not leaving this bag under any circumstances.
Oh, let it go.
Save me. My golden fruits. All my efforts have gone down in the water.
Hurry up, the king is waiting for you.
The flow of the water looks very dangerous. And if we don't go, the king will be upset with us. But if we go, along with the golden fruits, even we will be swept away in the water.
Oh no! What should we do now?
Oh, fool, what have you done? Why did you leave the golden fruits in the water?
If we want to meet the king on the other side, we will have to leave our bag here.
Oh, what happened? No. What all I had planned and what has happened now? Monies, honey.
My golden fruits!
Even after collecting golden fruits, we couldn't get them.
Those who were talking about contentment and happiness until yesterday had become greedy upon seeing the golden fruits today. And upon witnessing this, the king felt very sad. However, amidst them, there was a man who still appeared happy. On seeing this, the king called him.
Aren't you sad to see so much wealth slipping away from your hands?
What is there to be sad about? You gave us the opportunity to roam in your royal garden. That is a matter of great pride and honor for us. Anyway, I didn't take any golden fruits. I just ate some of those juicy fruits and kept some for my daughter, which I left in the water before swimming.
That is why it is said, those who are satisfied are truly happy in the real sense.
Well said, Saranga. Well done. Others should learn from you as well. And yes, here are some delicious fruits from the royal garden for your daughter.
Thank you, my king.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.